Ever felt like investing is just too much work? Sleeping face. I used to think that keeping my investment portfolio perfectly balanced meant constantly checking prices, doing math, and manually buying and selling. It felt like a part-time job. If you've been there, you know the struggle. But what if I told you that for the last few years, I've been investing $150 every single week into the market, completely hands-free, and I haven't had to worry about a single trade? That's the power of automation, and specifically, the Auto Invest feature in M1 Finance. The M1 Auto Invest magic. So, how does it actually work? Well, M1 is built on the concept of a pie, which is basically your personalized portfolio where you decide exactly what stocks and ETFs, your slices, you want to own, and in what target percentages. This is the crucial first step, building your pie. I've got slices for broad market ETFs, a growth stock basket, and even a small REIT position, all with specific percentages that fit my long-term strategy. My $150 weekly strategy. Now for the automated part. I've set up a recurring, weekly bank transfer of $150 into my M1 taxable brokerage account. This is the dollar cost averaging at its finest, investing a consistent amount regularly, regardless of market highs or lows. It takes the emotion out of investing, which is one of the biggest benefits. Once that $150 hits the account, the Auto Invest feature kicks in, and this is where M1 truly shines with what they call dynamic rebalancing. The platform looks at my target percentages and compares them to my current holdings. Let's say one of my slices, like my total stock market ETF, is a little under its 50% target because the market has been volatile. M1 will automatically prioritize buying that underweight slice with the new $150, using the entire amount to get my portfolio closer to those perfect target percentages. I don't have to calculate which slice needs money, which stock to buy, or how many fractional shares to purchase. The M1 algorithm does all the heavy lifting for me. Setting it up in 3 simple steps. If you want to replicate this, it's really just 3 steps. Design your pie. Choose your investments and set your target percentages. Make sure you're comfortable with the risk profile. Set the schedule, go into your funding settings and set up a recurring weekly transfer for $150, or whatever amount works for you, from your bank to your M1 Invest account. Ensure Auto Invest is on. This is the default setting, but double check it. It generally triggers a trade once the cash balance reaches at least $25 over your minimum cash setting. I keep my minimum cash balance at $0 so my full $150 gets put to work as soon as possible during the next trade window. This setup ensures my money is always working, always diversified according to my plan, and constantly practicing that disciplined dollar cost averaging approach. It's truly an invest and forget system. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.